Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you set your wallpaper in your Xiaomi phone. As you want to set guys wallpaper in your Xiaomi phone, so guys you can set. And guys now let's see how to set wallpaper in your Xiaomi phone. In this video guys, I will show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So it's now time to start video guys, how to set a wallpaper. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to set your phone wallpaper. Guys scroll it. As you can see your wallpaper settings. So guys tap here. Guys click on this profile setting and guys click on your wallpaper setting. Which wallpaper guys you like guys you can set from here. So example for guys, I will take this mountain one and as you can see this apply option. So guys tap here, set as both and guys set as home screen, set as lock screen. So where you want to set guys, I want to set guys both of. So guys tap here, wallpaper applied means guys wallpaper has set it. Then guys you can see your wallpaper. So guys tell me on comment guys, do you like this wallpaper or not? And before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. As you can see your lock screen wallpaper and home screen wallpaper. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching.